Hi everyone and welcome to the vlog. Carlo here. Today we're going to talk about the Air Binay Lungsod ng Makati sneakers. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to the channel. We're doing a really nice giveaway of speakers worth at least 7,000 pesos. It's a smart speaker. It has Google Assistant built in. What I'll do is I'll put a link down below to the YouTube video where you guys can join the giveaway. Before we get started, this is not a political post. This is not meant to bash anyone. This is not meant to make fun of the sneakers. I'm just really a sneaker enthusiast at this point and I really wanted to get my hands on it and just check out the sneakers when they first popped up online. So take a look at this video as really just somebody who is excited about sneakers and was just really curious about the Air Binay sneakers when they were going viral. Okay, so here we have it. This is the fabled, legendary Air Binay sneakers. I think the original name or the official name is really just it's called the Lungsod ng Makati sneakers. Not too bad. I wasn't able to get one in my size. This is actually several sizes lower, but I managed to just grab one, the first one that I would find online that I could get. Now let's get to the sneakers. First, it comes in a white drawstring bag. Let me just get it. So it comes in this packaging. It has like that blue lace here on top, and then the sneakers are inside this one when you open it. Now very quickly, this is the shoe. It has an overall white and blue colorway. You have a white mesh upper which extends up until the heel guard. In the heel guard, you still have the same material, but there's some sort of hard foam at the back that gives better cushioning and protection and support for the heel. In terms of design, you have these dots along the sides and here up front. It's not perforated, they're not actual holes, they're really just design elements to give the shoe a little more character and a little more personality. Now, if we go to the laces and the actual color motif, it's actually very light, or I don't know what kind of blue this is, but it's light blue, which, excuse me, light blue, which gives it a little more pop. The same color can be seen not just on the laces, but on the, how do you call this, the inner sock lining, which extends here, which gives it a really nice, more, I don't know, accent when you look at it from the side. The same blue color can be found in the insole if you look inside. So it's blue through and through on the laces, on the sock insole, and on the insole. Moving to the back, you have some sort of pull tab that's actually very popular these days with all the NMD models that Adidas has been shipping out. There's the Lungsod ng Makati logo on the outer side of the shoe. So if you're wearing, if it's the right shoe, the logo is on the outer side, and in the left shoe, it's also on the outer side. So people can see that this is the Lungsod ng Makati sneakers. Moving to the midsole and the outsole. Same material for the outsole and the midsole. It's some sort of hard foam material. I'm not really sure if this is going to be durable or if it will last a long time. They probably should have put some sort of rubber material at the bottom if they wanted to make sure that this would last several years. Especially if the kids will use this, will be using it thoroughly and abusing it on a daily basis, or when they run or when they do their exercise. So that pretty much is the Air Binay sneakers, or the Binay Baller brand, as some of people have been calling it online. Now, what are the cons? For me, it's actually very straightforward. It's really just the construction of the midsole and the outsole. I think they should have used a different material just so it would be more durable and it would last a longer time for the kids who would get them. I can't do a review of the actual performance in the field because this is much smaller than the shoes that I have, just so you guys have a comparison. This is my real shoe size. So if you put it side by side, it really won't fit whatever I do. So if anybody from the city government of Makati is watching and they want the full review of their shoe, please do just send me a message, send me size 12, or I'd scrap that. I'd gladly pay whatever you guys paid for, or even maybe a little bit higher, to get a size 12 just so I can give her a more comprehensive review of these sneakers from the city of Makati. So again, let me repeat that. If anybody from the city of Makati is watching, I would gladly pay above what your actual cost is just so I can get a size 12 of this one and then do a review on this channel. That's it for today. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hoping to do more in the coming weeks. Please do subscribe and like and leave a comment down below. Peace!